So I'm going to be trying to make a shirt out of these sweatpants. First thing that I'm going to start by doing is just measuring, see where I want this shirt to really fall. Probably not this low because I have no chest. I'm just going to start with it like this first. So you're not going to be cutting it down the middle like this. You're just going to be cutting the seams that are holding the pants together so your head can fit through here. And then the wider that you cut the seams, the lower that it'll go. So start with the pants inside out so that you can see the seams and cut accordingly. And the reason why I chose sweatpants to make a sweater out of, or a shirt, whatever you want to call it, is because y'all know right now spring and winter is still fighting about whose season it is. So I can't even be as cute as I want to be. The weather be warm one day and then the next day it'd be like, nah nigga, you know. So I feel that sweatpants are the perfect fabric. So that's that. Then I use this permanent adhesive that I got from Walmart. I believe it was $1 and some change, really cheap. But if you ask me, it smelled just like Elmer's glue and I don't know if it's anything special. I guess I'll do an experiment one day and see. But you just flip the seam over to give it a more clean look. You could leave the ragged look if you want, but that's not really my style. Anyway, I did it on both sides and this is how it came out. Like, I'm actually really happy that it came out this way. I didn't think it would come out this good. And so that is how you make a shirt / sweater out of sweatpants. Yeah, bitch. Trendsetter. I'm annoying. Bye.